In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create alerts on Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. You will see a familiar interface with your data organized in rows and columns. Make sure you are logged into your Google account to access your sheets. This is important because only then can you create and manage alerts effectively. Once your sheet is open, you are ready to start setting up your alerts. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for tracking changes in your data. Next, click on the Tools menu at the top of the page. A drop-down will appear, revealing several options. You need to locate the Notification Settings option within this drop-down. It's usually near the bottom. Selecting this option will lead you to where you can customize your alert preferences. This step is significant because it allows you to tailor how and when you receive notifications. You want to ensure you're alerted to the changes that matter most to you. After clicking on Notification Settings, a new window will pop up showing you the current alert settings. Click on the Edit Notifications button within this window. This action will allow you to modify your existing notification preferences or set new ones. It is essential to take this step to ensure you have complete control over your alerts. You can choose the specific criteria that trigger notifications, making your alerts much more relevant. Now you will need to choose when you want to receive an alert. You have a couple of options here. The first choice is that you can receive an alert when any changes are made to the spreadsheet. This option is great for general monitoring. The second option allows you to receive an alert when a user submits a form. This is particularly useful if you are using Google Forms linked to your sheet. Selecting the right option depends on your needs and how you manage your data. Next, select your preferred alert type. You can choose between Email Right Away or Email Daily Digest. If you select Email Right Away, you'll be notified as soon as a change occurs. This is ideal for immediate updates. Alternatively, choosing Email Daily Digest means you will receive a summary of all changes at the end of the day. This helps keep your inbox organized and reduces interruptions. Understanding these options can help you manage your time and focus more effectively. Once you have made your selections, click the Save button. This action confirms your preferences and activates the alert system you just set up. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know your changes were saved successfully. This is an important step because it ensures that you will start receiving alerts based on the settings you chose. It's a small but vital action that guarantees you stay informed. By following these steps, you have now successfully set up alerts in Google Sheets. Being proactive in monitoring changes can save you a lot of time and effort in managing your data. You will now be able to respond quickly to any updates or submissions. Maintaining awareness of your data is essential for effective decision-making. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these alerts helpful in your work with Google Sheets.